There are a few important things you must be aware of when creating links pointing to your site, or even within your site. In particular, you should know about using keywords in the link anchor text, the rel attribute, and about how to use the alt attribute when placing links on images. This point is critical. You need links pointing to your site, and even within your site, that use your keywords in the anchor text, the text that is visible to the browser user. The anchor text, also known as the link text, appears between the anchor tags. It's the text that will actually appear in the web page itself, the text that the user will read and click on. For the purposes of SEO, it's always good if many of the links pointing to your website have anchor text containing keywords that you want your site to rank well for in the search engines. The search engines read the anchor text and use it to tell them what the reference page is about. One of the most common problems I see with my clients' SEO efforts is that even if they have plenty of links pointing to their site, those links don't have useful keywords. You must get links with keywords in the anchor text. When trying to get links from other sites back to yours, you really need to be aware of the rel equals nofollow attribute. The rel attribute can be used for various purposes, but from an SEO standpoint, it's the rel equals nofollow attribute that's important. This provides a site owner with a way to tell the search engines not to follow the link. In general, nofollow links provide no SEO value to your site. Just assume that the search engines ignore them. Of course, links aren't always placed onto text. They can also be placed on images. From an SEO perspective, putting links on text is generally better. The text tells the search engines what the reference page is about, so the text can improve the page's rank in the search results for the keywords used in the anchor text. Still, now and then, you'll want to put links onto images, as you can see here. Image links can be improved in a couple of ways. First, it's always good to use image file names with keywords in them. And you should always use an alt attribute in the image tag and put keywords in there. The file name and alt attribute are things you can control when creating links in your own pages, though of course when getting links from other sites back to yours, they'll be out of your control. Now, let's look at the title attribute. This attribute is often used by people for SEO purposes. The title attribute is intended to provide additional information about the link to browsers and other programs downloading web pages. For instance, browsers may use this text as pop-up text when users point at the link. But does the title attribute actually help from an SEO perspective? Probably not, and certainly not with Google. But it won't hurt, and perhaps it does help with some search engines. So, when you're creating links within your site or trying to get links from other sites pointing back to yours, these characteristics are important. You need to be thinking about anchor text, about the nofollow attribute, and about the alt attribute when you have to put links on images.